Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about Laplace transformation. So about this one we have capital L and we have second derivative of y. So this one that is about h squared capital F of h minus h f of number 0, and we have minus first derivative at f of number 0, f of first derivative of y. So that is about h of capital F of h minus f of number 0. And the next one, y, that is about capital F of h. So we need to transform this one, and this one into this one. So in this one we have like this. And the next one, and the last one. Now we have two conditions. So that means this one in here, that is the value of f of number 0, f of number 0. This one that is about number 2 in here. So we have like this. So negative number 5 multiplied by this one, and this one with negative number 1. So this one we have positive number 5. So capital F of h, f of h, f of h, we can do about factorization. So negative h I will put on the right. 5 minus number 2, we have positive number 3, I will put on the right. We have negative number 3. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Now we can do about factorization. So we have h minus number 2, h minus number 3. So we simplify this one. We have 1 over h minus number 2. Now we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. So that should be about f of negative number 1 of 1 over h minus 8. So this one will transform into e to the power of 80. So in this case we have number 2, so a equals to number 2. So that is about number 2 in here. So yt, that is about e to the power of 2t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.